good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to For the Moon of Cancer. How you doing? Well, it's good to see you. Let's see. Adjust your playback to 1.25 or 1.50 to correct what Cancer did to my voice, which will take out the cadence. That's kind of like the rhythm. And that's okay. If you adjust the playback, it'll give some rhythm to my voice and make it a little bit more easier to listen to. So, let's get going, honey. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and devotion. If you're new, please have a seat. Stay a while with us. See what you think. We like to grow together. So we do a daily affirmation. Today says, today I will not give in. Today I will not allow negative thoughts or feelings to prevent me from achieving happiness. Today I will not give in. Today I will not allow negative thoughts or feelings to prevent me from achieving happiness. So, if these negative thoughts come up, you're going to the curve. Change it out. Listen, we're in Mercury Retrograde, and we're only a few days away from the eclipse, the solar eclipse. With Mercury, a lot of things can happen. Different things breaking down suddenly, unexpectedly. But one thing about Mercury retrograde, it's like a full moon. There needs to be something you let go of. Something you put on your heart and soul to let go of. What was that? Please stay on my camera. Anyway, I'll keep going. But something you think of, maybe that you're gonna let go of too much sugar, too much caffeine, too much this, that, and the other. It's something that you're focused on to let go of. With the eclipse, that's about action. That's about finding I want to use the word adventure. Like you want to find it. I all times in lesson Mercury Retrograde. I don't know where it was stopped at. I can't see it. I looked. It's right here though. Yeah, that's what the last sound was. Anyway. This is what happens with Mercury Retrograde. This is the example. So does love have anything to do with not giving in? Unrequited love. Uh-oh. Somebody's giving too much. Maybe their part for Mercury is to not give more than they receive. There's not enough attachment or chemistry to keep this relationship going. The other energy is action, courage, begin. What to start for the eclipse? Start only giving what you receive. No more overgiving. No more allowing others to take advantage of your good heart. This has been such a coconut reading, but I'm leaving it. I'm leaving it because this Mercury Retrograde is a prime example of what happens. The Both Fortune, the Four of Pentacles, and the Page of Pentacles. Well, it was a grand ideal. It was solid. It was stable. It was small, but it was stable. Because somebody held back, even though it was divine timing at play. which I would have to say that during divine timing, if you're holding back, you're facing karma. A lot of it. Because you're not following their directions. The Page of Swords in reverse. Difference. And the Knight of Wands in reverse. Somebody is finally keeping their eyes in their head. They were quite lovers out here. And more likely they were frequently enjoying the appearances of other people. So now they're going to keep their eyes in their head and allow the healing of temperance, the angel, to come in and say, let's fix this. We can fix this. No more in and out. No more in and out activity. No more always on the agenda to find something better. The Sword, Ten of Wands, and the Hangman. They're gone. They finally get their act together. And you see who they really are. And now you don't want them. They've hurt you with 10 swords. And you are well aware that they're a burden. That if they're not a burden now, they will be again in the future. So you would much rather look at things from a different point of view than to have them hanging on to your skirt tail, waiting to see what you're going to give them next time. Let's clarify. Four swords in reverse. There's no healing that karma. They're gonna have to pay it. It's due. Not karma. They can't heal it away. They're gonna have to pay up for what they held back, and they're giving to you in this connection, which is the Six of Swords in reverse. There was no forward movement. There was no calmer water to go to. It was all choppy because they were not provide what they should have been bringing to the table. The Page of Pentacles is the 5 of Wands in reverse. Jealousy, strife, wanting to argue all the time, not wanting to see eye to eye. See, if they let you see eye to eye, you're seeing it even sooner. The Page of Swords in reverse. The Chariot in reverse. No go, no go. You can call that Vega. No go. I'm sorry. Yeah, that, even though they are keeping their eyes in their head now, it's too late. The ship has already sailed. Temperance is here as the center, because you're the one that needs healing. Collective, Cancer, the Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Mercury, Justice in reverse. Even though the healing is coming for you, you didn't get justice for this situation, for all the love you gave, for all the effort you put in. They never brought the same back to the table. The Knight of Wands in reverse. The Eight of Swords. Yeah, there's the truth coming out. It's time for the truth. For you to know the truth of who this person really is. And how they were, what's the words? They were cheating you of all your time, energy, money, spiritual support, everything. The 10 of Swords. The King of Swords. They planned it out. They knew exactly what they wanted to do and how they wanted to do it. It was no accident. They saw you as the weakest link. The 10 of Wands. The 8 of Cups in reverse. They thought you would always be in love with them and always come running back to them. They never thought for 1 second you would finally give it up. The Hangman. The Knight of Wands in reverse. Well, it may be true that they've given up their playboy ways, but it's too little too late. You're not giving in no more. You're not letting this person hold you down for negativity no more. Longhorn, the 6 of Cups. Yeah, this was very near and dear soulmate that did this to you. Now, I will tell you, and you can be mad at me, go ahead, I have my big girl panties on. I'm good. But it happened for a reason. You need to know who you truly are. One of those mosquito eaters, it landed on me when I was sleeping. That's the one little bug I can't stand to have in the house. Anyway, what a reason. Let's see where we're going. Cancer, you're protected by angels. There they are. The difference in the theory of reason. It says you are cherished by the angels. That means a lot. Alright, my loves, I'll see you tomorrow, and we'll see you through. We'll tell us what we're building on for the eclipse. Namaste. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, even with all the interruptions. Please hit subscribe, like, leave a comment. Let me know if it resonates. And thanks for being here. Namaste.